Maya, okay, seriously, you have to stop what you're doing and just, okay, picture this. You're standing on the coast in northern Australia, right? Near the Gulf of Carpentaria. You look up at the horizon and the entire sky is being taken over by a giant white rolling tube of cloud. And I mean, it's huge. It's like 1,000 kilometers long. Wait, 1,000 kilometers? Leo, that's basically the length of the entire state of California. Are you sure you didn't see a movie poster for an alien invasion?
No, it's real. It's called the Morning Glory Cloud. It's basically this massive horizontal rolling pin of a cloud that just barrels across the sky. It's like the atmosphere decided to become a giant wave. In fact, people actually call them the biggest waves on the planet.
That is, wow, 1,000 kilometers. I'm trying to wrap my head around a cloud that long. Does it just sit there?
No, that's the crazy part. It moves. It travels at like 10 to 20 meters per second. It's a soliton, which is a fancy physics word for a wave that travels without changing its shape or speed. It's just this singular, majestic cylinder of cloud rolling through the air. And sometimes it's not just one. Sometimes there are like 10 of them in a row, like giant white corduroy trousers across the sky.
Corduroy trousers. Only you would come up with that analogy. But wait, really? 10 of them? I can't imagine seeing that and not thinking the world was ending.
Right? But it's actually really peaceful, apparently. Well, except for the pilots.
Pilots? Don't tell me people fly into these things.
Oh, they don't just fly into them, Maya. They surf them. There's this tiny town called Town, and every year between September and November, glider pilots from all over the world descend on it. They wait for the morning glory, and then they use the updraft at the front of the cloud to literally soar along the edge of it. It's like cosmic surfing.
Gliders? So no engines. They're just hanging out on a giant tube of mist? That sounds terrifying and beautiful at the same time. But how does it even happen? Like, why there? Why Australia?
It's basically a perfect storm of geography. You've got the Cape York Peninsula, right? It's this big finger of land. During the day, sea breezes blow in from both sides, the east and the west. They meet in the middle, the air gets forced up, and it forms this line of clouds. Then at night, the air cools, sinks, and hits this layer of air over the Gulf called an inversion layer.
Okay, slow down, Mr. Science. An inversion layer?
Sorry. Basically, it's a layer where the air temperature actually gets warmer as you go up, which is the opposite of normal. It acts like a ceiling, so the air gets trapped, starts to ripple, and creates these massive rolling waves. It's like if you flicked a heavy rug and watched the ripple travel all the way to the other side.
That actually makes sense. The rug analogy helps. But it's only in that one spot?
Well, it's the only place where it's predictable. It happens elsewhere, like people have seen them in the English Channel or over Berlin, even in the U.S. But in the Gulf of Carpentaria, it's like clockwork.
That's incredible. It's like nature has a scheduled performance.
Exactly. And the locals, they have their own way of knowing when it's coming. There's this bit of local lore in Town. They say if the fridges in the pub start to frost over more than usual, or if the corners of the cafe tables start to curl up.
Wait, really? The tables curl?
Yeah, it's because the humidity gets so high right before it forms. The wood reacts to the moisture. It's like the pub is a giant barometer. When the table curls, you grab your camera, or your glider, I guess, and get ready.
I love that. Forget high-tech satellites, just check the corner of your coffee table. Honestly, Leo, stories like this make the world feel so much bigger and, I don't know, more magical. It's nice to just sit and wonder about a giant cloud for a while.
It really is. It's a sanctuary, right? Just you and the big rolling cloud.
Definitely. And hey, if you're listening and you want to keep finding these little pockets of wonder with us, you should join the loop. Come back tomorrow and get your daily curiosity fix. We'd love to have you back on the porch.
Plus, I have so many more analogies to get through.
We'll see about that. So, does the cloud just disappear when it hits land?
Yeah, pretty quickly. Once it loses that moist sea air and the sun starts heating up the ground, the inversion layer breaks, and the glory just evaporates. It's gone by mid-morning. It's a fleeting thing.
Maybe that's why they call it the morning glory. It doesn't overstay its welcome.
Exactly. It's just this perfect temporary miracle.
Well, I'm definitely adding 1,000-kilometer cloud to my bucket list now. Thanks for bringing this one today, Leo.
Anytime. It's what I do.
All right, we should probably head in. See you again soon, everyone. Stay curious.
Stay curious.